Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm excited to take you through our experiences in two coding competitions that were both rewarding and challenging, the Meta Hacker Cup and Softfest by Naman. In this presentation, we'll discuss the problems we faced, how we approached solving them, and the lessons we learned along the way. These competitions tested our programming skills, problem-solving abilities, and teamwork. Let's dive in. The Meta Hacker Cup is an internationally renowned competition hosted by Meta Platforms. Our team of four participated in the first round, where we were given five problems to solve within 3 hours. This competition demanded not only coding skills but also the ability to think under pressure. We successfully submitted solutions for two problems. However, due to runtime errors caused by large test cases and some oversight in handling edge cases, we couldn't progress to round 2. While this was a setback, it was a valuable learning experience that highlighted areas for improvement. Now, let's look at the problems we tackled. Our first problem was Sonic's sandwich delivery. Sonic needed to deliver sandwiches to various stations along a subway tunnel. Each station had a specific time window and he had to arrive within these two windows to successfully complete the deliveries. We calculated the minimum speed Sonic needed to meet all deadlines. This involved analyzing the distance to each station and earliest and latest delivery times allowed. By determining the range of possible speeds, we aimed to find the optimal solution. The challenge laid in balancing the constraints of minimum and maximum speeds while ensuring all stations were covered on time. This problem required careful consideration of mathematical relationships between speed, distance, and time. Here, we were tasked with finding how many prime numbers could be expressed as the difference of two other primes, all less than or equal to a given number n. We began by identifying all prime numbers up to n. Then, we used nested loops to test whether each prime could be represented as the difference of two other primes. The primary difficulty was avoiding duplicate counts in the nested loops. Next, let's talk about Softfest by Naman. Unlike the Meta Hacker Cup, this was a local competition where we participated as a team of two, Sareb Azim and Mariam Zahra. With only 2 hours to solve the problems, time management became a critical factor. We focused on quickly understanding each problem and dividing the workload efficiently to maximize our chances of success. Let's go through the problems we tackled in the competition. The problem asked us to determine if we could group weights into sets of 3 such that the sum of each set equaled the target weight. Moreover, each weight could be only used once. We used nested loops to iterate through all possible combinations of 3 weights. For each combination, we checked if their sum equaled the target weight. Avoiding reuse of weights was crucial. Additionally, we had to ensure that no two sets were duplicates of each other, which required us to carefully track the indices of the weight we used. This problem tested our attention to detail and ability to handle constraints in a systematic manner. The second challenge was number arrangement. This problem involved arranging numbers from 1 to n in a sequence such that each number appeared exactly twice with the distance between its two occurrences equal to the number itself. We calculated the positions for each number in the sequence. If the calculated position of the second occurrence exceeded the sequence length, we knew it was impossible to form a valid arrangement. The problem required a deep understanding of how constraints influence the structure of the sequence. Recognizing when an arrangement was impossible saved us valuable time during the competition. Finally, let's reflect on the key learnings from these competitions. Problem decomposition. Breaking down a complex problem into smaller manageable parts is crucial. It allowed us to tackle each aspect of the problem systematically and efficiently. Edge case handling. Thorough testing and careful consideration of edge cases ensured the accuracy and robustness of our solutions. Overlooking even a single edge case could lead to failure, as we experienced during the Meta Hacker Cup. Teamwork. These competitions reinforce the importance of collaboration, brainstorming ideas together, sharing knowledge, and dividing tasks based on our strengths helped us perform better under pressure.